I'm Blair Gilbert, here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. We're here talking about expendable society. When things break, what do? We go buy new ones. Well, sometimes you don't have to. Today, we're going to take and pick on a hammer handle. I sold a customer a 4-pound hand sledge. He missed his mark a couple times, and when he was using it, he hit on the edge of whatever he was hitting on, and he broke the handle here. So everyone's going to throw it away. We're not. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, there's a problem trying to pound the old wood and the old wedge. This is a round wedge. I don't know if you can tell in this picture. This is a flat wedge. Now, there's a metal wedge and a wood wedge that's going to go in here in the final to lock the wood back into the handle. First, I'm going to show you how to get this out of here. We're going to take a drill, and we're going to knock all the excess wood out from around the wedge. Then we're going to try to pry the wedge out. Then you'll notice that wood that's left will fall right out of there. But unless we get rid of the wood, we'll never get it out of there. I choose the biggest drill bit that fits between the wedge and the hammer itself. And don't worry about hitting the iron or the steel of the hammer. You're not going to take enough off to care about. You just need to get the wood from the perimeter so we can pry the core out. I'm going back and forth while I'm drilling just to remove a little extra wood as I'm going in. Okay, I was a little greedy on the size of my drill bit. It's not fitting in the narrow end where that wedge is, so we'll go down a size. So like I said, it's all about getting rid of the extra wood. So we can be very aggressive at what angle and how we go to get it out of there. Alright, okay, we did this in just a minute or two, and then we'll see if the wedge comes out. See? Bingo. Out comes the wedge, and the wood follows thusly. So as simple as that. We drilled it out. The handle's a little too wide to go in the hole, so we're going to grind a little wood off the handle, and we're going to take it back farther than you think, and then we're going to feather it out into the wood. Feather it out so when you come off, you don't come off abrupt. If we didn't have a grinder at home, we could have done this with the wood rasp just as well. Would have taken a little bit more time. Here's the mind-boggling part. You think the plan here is to drive the wood into the head. It's not. You hold the head in the air and you hit the handle. You want to hit it square on the bottom of the handle. Watch this. Got to hit it a couple more times. We're not there yet. There we are. We got a relatively tight fit. We're going to cut the top of this off. I have the advantage of having a portaband. We take a little chisel. So these handles have a little split down the center. Well, now that we've took and drove this handle into this, our split is gone. So we need to redefine the split, because what we'd like to do is we'd like to drive a wooden wedge into the split and tighten this up. A little hammerage there to reestablish the split. Our wedge is too wide. We're going to take the wedge, we're going to cut it about the width what we're looking for. We have some scraps of wedge. And we're going to take and grind or sand the wood smooth with the top. This wood is now in this handle, extremely tight, ready to use, but we have one more step, the metal wedge. We're going to put it in at a slight angle, opposite of what the wood is. Okay? There we go. So there you have. We saved a hammer handle for $5.59.